guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you up and coming and new Louis Vuitton bag collection. Yes, so I will be providing you all the information that you need to know, from names, product codes, product feature, prices, SKU, and the launch date. All you need to do, just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for orders and availability, kindly check the website and your CA. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. We're almost there. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, for today's episode, I'll be sharing a preview of the upcoming Louis Vuitton's Flight Mode collection. Kindly stand by for prices, SKU photos, and launch date. I'll be publishing a new vlog once I have more comprehensive information about the collection. Happy shopping guys! Enjoy! So the very first collection, or the very first bag that we are going to discuss on the Flight Mode collection, so we have the Never Full MM. So as we can see guys, so the material of this collection is mainly monogram canvas, and as you can see, colorway is dune, and then of course it would come with the cowhide leather trims. The monogram canvas, as you can see here, has Flight Mode print. It's like different keys from different hotel, and of course as a Never Full, it would come with detachable mini pochette. Then we have Speedy 25 bandolier. So this one would be the same material. So this is the close-up view. So you're going to see that the print of the key, it has like a keychain, and that's why I'm thinking that it's like, you know, different keys from different Louis Vuitton hotels or different hotels that they have stayed in during their travels, how chic the storyline is, and how gorgeous that Speedy 25 is. Next guys, if you want something bigger, then of course you have to go up for the keeple. So maybe size 40, 45, 50. Material is in monogram canvas. So this is the close-up view. It would come with pre-treated cowhide or vachetta leather trim. So it comes with the classic keeple design, such as detachable bag tag and detachable and adjustable bag strap, as we can see here. So next on the collection, so still from the Flight Mode, so if you want something smaller, then check out the Pochette Cosmetics. So Pochette Cosmetics, same material. So this is the close-up view, and as mentioned on my previous vlog, you could check out any tutorials here, because you could definitely convert this Pochette Cosmetic into a shoulder bag or even as a handbag by putting a clasp. And then of course we have the micro vanity. This is kind of new, so I'm guessing that the size of this one would be like the Nice Nano, but then again guys, it could be a little bit bigger, but I love the design of this one. So as you can see, the main material is the monogram canvas in the colorway dune. It would come with cowhide leather chips and detachable mini chain strap. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next on the collection, so we have the trunk stack. So this one guys, photo may just be in black and white when I have seen this one. So I'm guessing that the material would still be the same in monogram canvas, and colorway is dune. Cowhide leather trims, and then of course it comes with the Flight Mode print as we could see here. So it has like different patches. Once I have more photos, guys, definitely kindly do stand by for that one. Then of course we have different bags now. So we have the Capucines, not the official name, double XL. So as you could see, so I'm guessing that the material is in the Tyrolean leather. The white part, I'm guessing either Tyrolean leather or canvas. Then of course it would come with cowhide leather trims. The difference with the double XL Capucines, as you could see, the strap is a little bit longer compared to the regular Capucines, and definitely you could wear this one as a shoulder bag. Then of course we have the side trunk. So classic side trunk design. So the leather that it comes with is in color rouge or red, and of course it would come with gold hardware, classic side trunk details. So like with the hardware, then of course it would come with detachable flight mode bag charm, as we could see here. Loving the bag charm detail. I'm not really sure with the combination of monogram with red. Please do comment down below. Then we have another side trunk from the flight mode collection. So this one, material is calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. So as we could see, the leather is printed with pinstripes. Then of course, just like the interior, to be honest, it reminds me of the interior of the Neverfull, that it would come with detachable leather flower charm, which I super love. Let us discuss a different collection, guys. So let us discuss the up and coming rattan Capucines. It would come in different colorways, as we could see here. So the very first one, in the colorway noir. So the main material of course is in rattan. So this is how it looks like when you're going to open. Then it would come with Tyrolean leather in colorway is black. It would come with detachable leather strap. Next, on the rattan Capucines, guys, just look at this one. Correct me if I'm wrong, but zooming on this photo, I'm thinking that aside from the rattan, this one is made of light blue monogram denim. Don't you think, guys? So as you can see, even the LV logo is in the same colorway, comes with detachable leather chain strap. Then of course, as we can see here, aside from the light blue denim, as you can see here, now it would come in the light pink colorway. So zooming in on this rattan Capucine, so as you can see, the main material is rattan, and of course here you are going to notice the light pink colorway. So guys, again, I could be wrong on this one, just kindly stand by for updates, but looking at the photo, it kind of reminds me of the monogram denim collection. So next, on the rattan Capucines collection, it would come now in Tyrolean leather with the rattan detailing of the body. Then of course the colorway is cognac, or like coffee, as we could see here. Then of course it would come with gold hardware, and it would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap, as we could see here. Because I believe this rattan Capucines is really popular for Louis Vuitton collector. Then this one, how gorgeous and special this rattan Capucine is, because the material is, so as you can see, the Tyrolean leather. What I love is in the metallic gold, and then of course the top handle is like in a chrome finish, super shiny, super metallic. So which one is your favorite among the rattan Capucine? There, did you enjoy our episode for today? Which of the Louis Vuitton bag is your favorite? Kindly comment down below. I would love to hear your opinion on the new collection. Also, if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!